Are there refrigerators in Africa? Refrigerators? What are refrigerators? No, there are no refrigerators in Africa. As a matter of fact, Africans don't need refrigerators. We don't even have it, and we don't know what is called refrigerators. In Africa, we have our way of cooling our waters. We have the mud pots or idaja that our mothers usually keep. It looks like voodoo. Anytime we fill water, we cover it and we place a cup on top of it. No matter how hot the weather is, you discover that the water inside the ite will be very chill. So when we come back from farm, we walk straight to the ite and scoop water to drink, and it nourishes us. We don't know what refrigerators are. Secondly, we don't keep our food in the refrigerators as a way of preserving them. Our hard-working mothers makes fresh food for us and the husbands every morning. Every morning, our women wake up and make fresh food, fresh okra soup, and do all manner of combinations that nourishes us every morning. So we don't have to cook food and pack them in the refrigerators and expect to eat them within a space of 1 month or 4 months. When our dintas returns from hunting, we don't have to put the meat anywhere to preserve them. We slaughter the meat, cook them, and eat them fresh. Everybody gathers, and when we have leftovers, we give to our neighbors. That is the spirit of Africa. We don't pack them to look for where to preserve them to eat the next day, because we are hardworking people and we still go out the next day to hunt for another animal. That is it in Africa. So, Africans don't have refrigerators. Africans don't need refrigerators. We don't even know what refrigerators looks like. I hope this answers your question.